structures here. It's your neighborhood. How do you turn this thing up here?
Lovely construction.
Okay.
Lovely construction.
Auto. Oh, I know why Lemire leaves his car running when he parks. Yeah. Oh, it's kicking back on. Okay.
You're not getting this in Canada or United States. Unless you're in Miami, but still.
You never afford it.
Yeah. For this palm trees and view and beach areas in Miami, it's, you know, you're paying five times. Like,
you're starting at $1.5 million.
Yeah. It's just, it makes no sense.
The beach is not on this side, it's on the other side.
We're going to show him all of the the sports area and the hospital, all on this one street.
Yeah.
Now, we don't want you to ever need a hospital, but if you did, it's nice to know where it is.
Nice to know. Yeah.
And you also get to see the neighborhood you're going to be in.
Yep, of course.
I mean, it's great. And they make sure they have lots of speed bumps, which we don't have in Canada or the United States.
No, we do not.
Yeah.
Now, keep in mind, folks, this is all within, I don't know, 10 to 20 minutes of the airport.
Yeah.
You're not far.
No.
You know, when you gotta go, you gotta go, and you're not sitting around for 6 hours in LA traffic.
No, that's right.
You know.
And they have Uber here now. When I first started coming, Uber wasn't available. Now they've opened up Uber, so it's like $10, and you know, I've got my phone service is amazing.
Yeah,
I kind of represent them also. But I landed and hit my Uber guy, and he's out front, takes me right where I'm going to go. It's really amazing. So it's just becoming more and more convenient every day.
Yeah.
Now on the right up here is the sports complex, the park, and you'll get to see how beautiful this is that we have access to. Look at this. Tennis.
Take this in. Wow.
It's amazing, isn't it?
So this is right at the end of your road here.
Yeah.
Tennis courts.
Walking distance.
Walking distance.
Soccer.
Right.
The Canadians know about that.
In a gated community, remember. This is all in a gated community. Nobody's just walking in here.
That's right.
Playing with your kids playing with your kids, other kids are not just running in and taking the soccer ball from your children unless they live here.
That's right.
Yeah.
And look at this plaza here, right here. Everything that you want is right here.
Wow.
You know, real estate, get your hair done.
Wow.
It's all right here.
Wow.
And then this is at the other end of the gated community, which ends up, that's the hospital.
Oh, right. Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's the hospital.
Okay.
And if you go around the corner, you come right out on the big main highway, we would call the interstate.
Right.
It's right there. And so this is, I mean, it's perfect. You couldn't plan and put together all of this.
You couldn't ask for much more than that.
No, you just, now wait till we see the beach access and the grocery store access.
Right.
Because that's the other thing. You know, we're talking about people coming to a third world country.
Yeah.
and people they're afraid. It's a different language, a different culture. All of this is right here to make it safe and comfortable for you to really have a great life. I mean, it's amazing.
Yes.
The
friendliness in this country is unmatched. I've been around, and the hospitable ways about the people and the culture and everything is, you can walk at night.
Yeah.
You can walk at night here and not really worry like that, right? Everywhere.
And here's another thing on the return on your investment. These properties are all pre-construction sold. When they reach like 50%, prices go up. When they get like 75%, prices go up again. When they're sold out, the prices go up again. So there's your investment is very secure. I can't really tell you what money I've made, but I've made a lot of really good money just because of time.
Yeah.
These buildings, we're going to see complexes that are being built down here. They're all pre-sold, usually before they even begin construction, which is amazing to me. You know, that
is an amazing thing out here.
Yeah,
I've noticed
it
too.
is.
Yeah.
Well, that means they've got money to operate with. That means when they start, they know they can finish.
Right.
See,
That's right.
so often we are going to use borrowed money, or we're going to use, and we start, and then something happens. The bank doesn't come through, or somebody loses it. Now we've got a building half built, and we didn't have the money. Here, they have the money before they start.
Right.
Because they pre-sell all this stuff.
Right.
And that means it's going to be finished. It's going to be the way they planned. Matter of fact, usually they make improvements along the way.
Right.
And do it a little bit better than what
Right.
you expected them to do.
Great to know.
Yeah. It's really good. So I'm from Ohio, by the way. And I came here as a fluke, really. A guy told me, he said, hey, I got a timeshare, I'm going to lose it. And if you want it, you can have it. I said, okay, I'll take it. And when I called the RCI people to get my timeshare, I said, I don't care where I go. I want to go as far south. It was January in Ohio. You know what that is, right?
Oh, yeah. We
So
all
I
know.
said, as far south as we can get. So they sent me to the Dominican Republic. Of course, it was a timeshare, so guess what they're trying to do?
Well,
Sell me a timeshare.
That's right.
So, you know, I was born at night, but it wasn't last night. So I did the little math, and I figured, I said, wait a minute. I'm going to put a lot of money in this thing to use 2 weeks out of the year, and in 15 years, it goes back to them. I said, I got to find a realtor. And they were some really good, kind Christian people there, connected me with a good realtor, and it just made so much more sense for me to buy than do the timeshare thing, because you can Airbnb this stuff out and do great, and they have wonderful management teams down here. This is their life.
Yeah.
Tourism's their life.
Yeah.
They have wonderful management teams that take care of your property during the Airbnb time. That it's amazing. I Airbnb'd all of my first one out, and I've got 2 that's in construction right now. Then I sold one already. But I was totally impressed with how they took care of meeting, greeting, cleaning up, answering their questions, and they handled it.
And I have a question for the viewers. So the black oil to soil community, which means, you know, taking something from our soil back home and investing it on a new soil. You know, a lot of people may ask, and I may ask myself, after you buy, and let's say you've paid fully outright before it's done, right? Can you sell once you finish paying, even if your property is not built, like finished building yet?
Are you asking that question to me?
Just for the viewers.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
You can sell. Now, everybody has a little different terms with that.
Yep.
I believe you can sell during construction with the approval of the developer.
The developer. Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
because they need to still monitor who's coming and going and that sort of thing.
Right.
But
Paperwork
and
and
I
all
don't know
that.
the official answer to that question, because that's kind of almost a legal question.
Yeah.
But you can sell day one when it's finished. I know.
Yep.
And that's going to be about 12 months on this particular project.
Perfect.
And there's lots. Now I want you to see, this is the entrance.
Here we go.
And right across the street is the residential
Open the-
villas.
We want to see you again.
Let's just see this again. What?
Hey,
No.
We're keeping the guy busy. There is a pass, the little card that you have. I just don't have it with me. That you just wave at the deal and it opens up. So I want you to see the entrance here. And look, I don't know if you can shoot to the right. I want you to see how close the Super
Okay.
Llama, which is our
Right there.
supermarket.
next corner.
So see if you can shoot to the right
Okay.
and see right there is the super.
And there's your grocery store.
There's the grocery store right there. I
Right
mean,
outside.
and there's the gas station.
Right outside your gates.
Everything you need. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Walking, you can
You can walk. You just walk down. You just walk over.
And now
Restaurant.
we're going to the beach, and I want you to see this. This is our access to the beach.
Yes.
I mean, no resorts saying, "Oh, you got to come." There's security, of course, but that security is for the neighborhood. But we're going to go right to the beach. You're going to love it. I'll be honest with you. I Airbnb'd my place for like 2 years.
Yep.
My daughter came down. And she said, "Dad, I can't find the beach." I said, "You can't find the beach. Just go to the east. You'll run into the ocean. It's there." Well, they were afraid to kind of push through the resorts because the resorts have all the access. When I found out about this, it solved all those problems. We're going to have a golf cart every half hour makes this trip, or you can walk it. And I've walked it. It takes it's less than 10 minutes.
Okay.
We timed it. I think we even counted how many steps it was.
Okay.
But and you can still see.
My battery's gonna die. I wasn't prepared for this. I got blessed by the gods to meet this brother and sister for this. So I'm gonna save the battery. I'm gonna turn it back on right when we get to the beach so you can see. But you see the road we're driving through. You saw where the grocery store was. Give me about 3 seconds here, folks.